Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday where I teach you about a feature of Plan to Eat or give you a meal planning tip in 2 minutes or less. Today, I want to show you how in Plan to Eat you can combine two recipes into one. You can think about this as times when you want to be able to link two recipes together because you always plan them together on the meal planner and want to shop for them at the same time. So while we don't have a way to link two recipes together, such as a main dish and a side dish, we do have a way to essentially put a recipe inside another recipe. So you can see that I have imported a salad here and a crouton recipe, and I want to be able to make these at the same time, and I don't want to have to plan them separately on the planner, so that way I don't forget to plan the croutons when I plan the salad recipe. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this crouton recipe and I'm going to come in here to the bulk import option and I'm going to copy the ingredients. And then I'm going to come back over here to the salad recipe, go into the edit option, also go into the bulk edit option. And you can see that this recipe already has a couple headers and you use the comma to delineate a header in the ingredients. Also, if you're in the line item input, you'll see that there's an add heading option here, so you alternatively could use that. But I want to just be able to paste these ingredients in bulk. So I'm going to come in here, I'll add a comma and say croutons. And then I will paste in the crouton ingredients there. I'll hit save. That information is here. And then I can also come in and I can copy the directions for the croutons so that I can add those to this recipe as well. And now when I go to plan this salad recipe, I can come over here, add it to my planner. And when I go to my planner, I'm going to be able to see that recipe right here, and I can view the recipe and all of those extra ingredients and instructions are going to be in there. So that way I don't forget to make those croutons when I make this salad. Once again, this is an option that you can use for if you have spaghetti and you like to have a salad on the side with the spaghetti, or any other recipe that you have a standard side that you always plan with that recipe. This is a really great way to make sure that you always have that recipe included in there, but you also are keeping the recipe, the additional recipe, the side, or in this case, the crouton recipe, separate, so that if you wanted to use that with a different recipe in the future, you could plan it separately as well. If you have any questions about this, please email us at help@plantoeat.com. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.